We're the Lip Chicks.
I'm Susan.
And I'm Winter.
And who doesn't love an ombre look?
Heck yeah. We are totally going to do an ombre today, and we're really excited about it. So I'm going to mix Bella. I'm going to line my lips with Bella, and then I'm going to do Goddess in the middle. What are you going to do?
I'm going to do Violette, and I'm going to do Mauve Ice in the middle.
It's going to look beautiful.
Yes.
All right. So, Susan, what are the tips for doing an ombre?
All right. So this is what I like to do. I like to take the darker color and just go ahead and line my lips right with the LipSense wand. You could do 1 or 2 layers. Okay. And then you want to go in and get your corners, like as you're pulling it in. And then you just go in with your lighter color. Boop, boop.
Seems pretty easy, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Make sure your
LipSense.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. So make sure your lips are clean, no moisture, no lotion, no foundation, nothing on.
No Cheetos.
No Cheetos over the bud.
No Cheetos. No Cheetos for you.
All right, shake up your color really good, and let's line these lips.
So I'm going to take off a lot of the product. You do not need that much, especially when you're just lining. You can always get more. And I love that our LipSense makes it so easy to blend colors together and to work with different colors.
Yes, I love it. So I'm gonna do 1 more layer of the Bella. Let that dry really good. Only need a few seconds.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a second layer too. What do you think?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna fill in with Goddess.
I love Goddess.
Me too.
So now I'm gonna get those corners. Let it dry. And I love Mauve Ice. It's pretty to wear by itself or as a topper, and just great for an ombre. It's nice and light. It's a pretty frost.
I'm gonna let that dry real good. Looks good, I like it.
That's really pretty on you.
Thank you. I like it, it's good. All right, now I'm gonna seal it with my Glossy. Full of vitamin E, shea butter. This is amazing, I love it.
So let me tell you real quick what I'm doing here. Because I put on 2 layers of Mauve Ice, but I didn't quite go all the way up because I really want to pull out that violet. And the great thing is that with the LipSense, wherever I paint my lips, it's going to stay. So right where I want it is where I'm putting it.
Yep, totally. So I got a clean finger. And nothing. Stays all day.
Nothing?
Nothing on my finger. That looks pretty, I love it. That's a good combo.
I know, I like it too.
It's amazing.
Love it. And you know what? Something like this is complete as it is, or you could put like a little diamond gloss on it and sparkle.
Yep, I love it. All right, ladies, tell us what colors you would like to do an ombre with.
Yeah, maybe we'll make some new videos and try them out.
Awesome. Thanks, ladies.
Bye.
Bye.